We have an oil leak on this 2.0 Audi A4. If you run your finger right down here, you can just see all that oil. Remove the clamps. We'll pull off this hose. We'll pull this hose off and take a look at it. This is part of the PCV system. You can see oil inside the pipe. You can also see a lot of cracks in the rubber. I don't have a compatible piece of hose, so we'll have to pick some of this up. Here's an old radiator hose that's in a lot better shape until we can get a new one. Cut a piece off of this. This one at least doesn't have any cracks in it. We'll clean all the oil off it. That way if it leaks again, we'll see it immediately. Silicone grease does not break down rubber, so we'll put it on here so it'll go on a little easier. If it's a petroleum-based grease, it'll break down the rubber, and that's not good. Adding silicone grease really saves a lot of time. You could also add some to the pipe. Now the hose just slips right into place. Add the clamps where the screwdriver will reach. We'll tighten down the clamps and check for leaks. Certainly feels and looks a lot better.